Good afternoon, ladies and gentlemen. Thank you for joining us for the draw. Welcome to the 41st Impala Floodlights. This year, we look forward to a challenging tournament, start to the Kenya rugby season, and of course a fruitful tournament. Before I go further, I'll invite the Kenya rugby CEO to give us a word.
Asante sana. Good afternoon, everyone. It's a real pleasure to be here at the launch of the 41st edition of the Impala Floodlights. Yeah, it's always a pleasure. It's an old favorite of mine. We used to play it, but I was looking at the winners roll there, and my club hasn't won since the year 2000. So. It's a bit painful, but it's good fun, and I'm just glad that it has grown. It keeps growing in leaps and bounds. When my club last won, we were struggling to get teams. So at that time, there was Queens 1, Queens 2. These days, there's enough teams. There's a women's division. There's a universities and colleges division. So it's just good to see the games growing. And once again, I always thank the clubs for hosting. It's not easy to host an event. It takes a lot of organization. It takes a lot of resources just to get the games going. And a big thanks to Impala, and we'll support you in whatever way you require. Thank you very much.
Thanks so much, Mr. Dundo. Without further much ado, I'll just quickly thank our sponsors, Safaricom, Huawei, AR, Tusker, for coming through. This year, we have Coke, of course, doing the refreshments, sodas and water. We look forward to this year's tournament. Thank you very much. My name is Alan, the treasurer of Impala Rugby. I'll invite our tournament director, Mr. Jara, to take us through the draw and the eventual pooling of the players of the teams. Thank you.